good morning. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to haul and review another sexy lingerie from Temu. So without further ado, let's begin. This is my new collection for today. Look at this. How beautiful it is. Wow. And so sexy. Look at this. So sexy. Oh, see-through. At tingnan mo. Ang ganda ng front niya. Ang ganda. Yung garter niya, napaka-smooth lang. Very firm lang yung pagka-stress niya. Kaya, hindi mo kailangan mag-alala na masasaktan ka dahil dito masakit sa balat. So, tingnan natin yung kanyang quality. Wow! Nice quality. Look at this. This is special machine. And this is special. And this is perfect crotch. Meron siyang lining na hindi siya makikitaan talaga. Pero dito sa likod, para ang kanyang tela ay parang fishnet, parang kulambo na see-through. Pero pagdating dito sa harap, ito po siya. See-through din, pero may mga design na embroidered na mga flower. Look at this. Very nice, very sexy. At yung dito naman, style niya dito na may naka-design na ganyan, oh. Ang ganda. Kapag sinuot nito, napaka-sexy mo. At doon sa mga may almo, okay na ito. Dahil ito ay hindi itong panties, so pwede. Go. So the quality is good, the material is good. See-through siya. So this is good. The quality of the sewing is good. So, perfect. So, kapag i-rate natin siya ng 1 to 10, bigyan natin siya ng perfect 10 because this is good quality and good style and sexy. Look at this. Beautiful. So, that is for today for our sexy G-string see-through bikini panty. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.